guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to add follow button on your Facebook profile. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to add follow button on your Facebook profile, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to open your Facebook app. After that, you can see at top right side 3 horizontal line. Just tap on that and you need to scroll down a little bit. In this, you will find settings and privacy. Just tap on that. After that, you will find settings. Just tap on the settings. After that, in this, you need to find how people can find you. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here how people find and contact you. Just tap on that. In this, you can see first option, who can send you friend request. Just tap on that. You can see second option, friends of friends. By default it is selected as everyone. You need to select friends of friends. Just tap on that. Then go back. After that, you need to find followers and public content. You can see here followers and public content. Just tap on that. By default it is selected as friends. You need to select as public. Then go back. That's it guys. So in this way you can add follow button on your Facebook profile. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.